So here's an example of doing responsive design. We have a mobile screen and a desktop screen. These are actually one component called screen. I've just named the artboards differently and I've sized them differently. And the way we've achieved this difference between the screens, where you can see the hamburger icon here, but no hamburger icon, instead you just see the links here, and a vertical stack versus a horizontal wrapping tiles. The way we've done all this is through variants. And specifically, when you want to do responsive design, we have a special group of variants called screen variants that you work with. So I'm going to select this, see how it works. This is the default look of the screen component. So the way we're approaching the design is we're doing mobile first design. So that's the mode of operation we're in by default. Now, if I want to explicitly design for the desktop screen, then I can switch to the desktop screen variant here. So you can see in this artboard, that's what we've done. We've selected the desktop screen variant. And these screen variants, basically, you can just add as many of them as you want. The one we're using is desktop right now, but you can switch to these other ones that we've created. And with every screen variant, you kind of define like what are the min and max sort of ranges that it kicks in for the screen width. So what this means is that all the changes we're making when we're editing this within this artboard are actually being recorded to the desktop screen variant as overrides on top of the base. So this is what we're usually editing, and then when we want to make tweaks for the desktop variant, this is kind of this means we're recording to it. And so what can you record as overrides? Basically, a lot of things. You can basically turn on and off the visibility of things. So for instance, with the base variant, we've shown this image and we've hidden the links, and over here we've actually hidden the hamburger icon and then shown the links. So you can toggle that on and off. And then also with the mobile variant, we've set the layout of this box to be a column. And then over here with the desktop, all I've done is after I hit recording, or after I've switched to the desktop variant to record to it, all I did was click on row, and then that changes the layout to row.